Here we are going to replace the screen. Looks like it's already kind of come undone. With this one that I got from Gadget Menders. I'm going to use these tools. I don't know if this iPhone is off or not because the guy just walked in the door. It's not working, so here we go. First thing, make sure that it's turned off. But since we can't tell, I'm going to use this special screwdriver to take out these two tiny screws. And I would put these in a very safe place. I've lost these a couple times, but it's a good thing you can order these screws from Gadget Menders, so that makes it nice. Typically, we would take this little suction cup, since I've only done this with one other phone, and you suction it right there and then you peel the screen. But since this is broken really badly, I am just going to take my X-Acto knife to see if I can there we go. Yeah, this screen was kind of messed up. You want to open it up this way, and there are 3 more screws right here that you have to take out. And this little metal piece kind of pops out. This little cover. I'm going to use these little pry tools to take off these 3 little ribbon cables. So there's that. And then here's the new one. I'm just going to reverse the process. So first I'm going to line this one up and press down. Maybe. Pretty hard. Press fit. I don't remember it being this hard. There. So push that one down, and the other one. And then as you fold it over, there is a little, I don't know, tab that kind of goes up underneath that screen. But I'm going to see if it turns on first before I close it down all the way. Oh, look at that. So I guess it was never turned on. So I guess I'll turn it off. So that works. Oh. turns off, I'm going to slide that in and very carefully work my way down until it all kind of snaps just like that into place. Oh, I forgot to put these little screws in. Darn it. So, looks like I forgot to put those things back in. It's still turning on, but it's nice because now you can just open her up. Oh, it's still booting up. That was a mistake. I'm going to put this little metal piece back in. And work its way down just like I did last time. And looks like it still turns on. So while it's turning on, I'm going to put the last two screws in.